Hey YouTube family, it's another video from me, Nadia, aka Kaya Journey. And just in case many of you guys didn't know, you guys are confused, my real government name is Nadia. Kaya Journey is just something I happen to go by. That's my fraud name. In today's video, we are going to discuss the AuNaturale, or is it I think it's AuNaturale. The AuNaturale Semi-Matte Powder Foundation. Wait, the AuNaturale Semi-Matte, Powder Foundation. I said it right. You know, these tongue twisters these days. I already did the stick foundation. I did a review video on this stick foundation. If you want to see it, it's right there. I'll link it for you. Go ahead and check it out. But today I'm going to do this semi-matte powder foundation. I got the sample kit. This is the trial size. Once again, it comes with, this is the dark kit though, the darkest kit that they have. It comes with 3 different foundation shades: Honolulu, Goa, Java. It comes with a blush, a bronze, and a finishing powder. When I did the previous video, the stick foundation video, the shade that matched me was Punalu. So why mess up a good thing, right? So we're just gonna go ahead with Punalu because Punalu should be the same across the board. I would hope it is. It is for deep skin tones like myself with warm undertones like myself. My undertones are yellow, so I have warm undertones. Goa, G-O-A, is for deep skin tones like myself with warm rose undertones, and I do not have rose undertones, so that's why that one didn't work for me last time. And Java is for deep skin tone because it's like, it was really dark with cool undertones, and I do not have cool undertones. I'm a warm kind of girl. So we're just gonna go ahead with Honolulu and make it happen. On my face already, I have already moisturized my face. The moisturizer I used was my, which one did I use today again? It was that big bottle, the white one. With my Lafia Everyday Coconut face cream, and then I also applied my primer, which is my Natural Annie Essentials. This is actually a aloe vera face gel, and it just works great for me, and that's what I use for my other foundation reviews. So trying to keep it consistent here. So as usual, I'm going to start with the right side of my face. Clean brush, and let's go. So this is the foundation applied to one side of my face with the foundation, without the foundation. And as usual, we're going to do another layer, as usual, we're going to do another application just to see if we can build it up a little bit more. The first impression, it definitely mattified my face. This one is more glowy, you know, the natural skin is more glowy. And this one definitely got mattified. I am back, foundation on my entire face. I also took the time to add the eyebrows, because you know, the eyebrows. I also added some mascara and eyeliner. Oh, and a little bit of concealer, just a little bit. This time I used my Hint Beauty concealer in the color dark. Just a little bit of concealer under the eye, not too much, so you know. Not trying to do too much of the face. It's really about the foundation. Alright, so next in line, after the foundation is on, it comes with a blush, and the blush is down here. This time the blush is plum. Now you guys know I'm not a big blush person, but if I do wear blush, I like to wear plum colors or orange color blush. The last time I tried the stick foundation, they sent me a hot pink blush, and a lot of y'all loved it. A lot of you guys loved it in the comment section, but for me, you know, wait, fix the hair. It was just not my preference, but y'all was like, it's cute. So thank you guys for the comment. Thank you for the love. But let's see how this plum blush is looking. Oh crap. I made a mess already. Blouse on skirt. This is real pretty. This nice. It's a really pretty, nice, dark plum color. And it just adds a little flush of color to my cheeks. I'm going to apply a little bit more so you guys can really see it. But this is not how I would wear it in real life. But just for you guys to see it, I'm going to turn up the volume real loud. That is really pretty. I am really, really liking this. Ooh, she cute. The entire time I'm filming this video and I wasn't wearing earrings. I just realized it when I started putting on the blush. I mean, earrings are so important. Like, I feel naked without them sometimes. You know what? Cancel the whole video. Just start over. Just cancel. Just cancel the whole beginning of this video. We're gonna start over. The third step is bronze, and I'm not sure if you guys remember from my last video where I reviewed the stick foundation. Yeah, the color bronze that was in that cut set was called Caramel, and it basically did nothing for my face. This set, the color is called Warm. So I honestly don't have high hopes for the bronze. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, because looking at it in the package right now, it looks definitely too light for me. But you know, we're gonna do it. We're not gonna knock it till we try it, and then after we try it, we can knock it. I can see something in my mirror. You know, it's doing a little something something. The bronze in the color Warm has been added. I put, you know, down my cheekbones, around my forehead perimeter. Honestly, I saw a slight difference. I didn't see much difference. It really didn't do much for me, but it did more than the caramel did. But honestly, would I purchase it? No, because it's just not making a big difference in my skin tone. Let me know what y'all think though. You know, let's keep the conversation going. Let me know what you guys think. All right, moving on to the last step is the finishing powder. And this is the pore minimizing and mattifying finishing powder. It says gently dust over your face and décolleté to complete your look. Now, the last video when I reviewed the stick foundation, I was real basic and I didn't add any highlight. I mean, I just really wanted to only review the foundation, but I just need to add just a little bit of highlight. I don't want to put too much stuff on my face because it's about, you know, the AuNaturale products. But I just can't help myself sometimes. You know, I just gotta add it. I'm sorry. The full face is completed using the AuNaturale Semi-Matte Powder Foundation. Except for some things like, you know, the lippy. This is Cloven Hollow. I have a Cloven Hollow swatch video. So if you want to see other products, the other lippies from Cloven Hollow swatch on me, video is right there. I got you covered. Enjoy. I linked it for you guys. But everything else, you know, well, you saw me apply it. You know what is from AuNaturale and what is not. You already saw. Anyway, initial thought is I love the match of the foundation. The finish looks beautiful on my skin. It doesn't feel heavy. Doesn't feel cakey. It is a loose foundation, so it's feeling really good. Moving on, as far as the blush is concerned, I like this blush. You know, I'm not really a blush girl, but this one is real cute. It just adds like a natural glow to my cheeks, and I really like that. Of course, I piled on extra for you guys to see it on camera, but in real life, I wouldn't do it this extra. It will be more toned down, but it's really cute. The bronze, the warmth. Let me know if you see it, because as of right now, I don't see it anymore. So if you find it, call me, let me know if you see it, because I don't see it. Sorry. And the finishing powder, face is looking good. Face is looking beat. Now the real test of time will be how long these products last. So as per usual, I'm going to wear these products for the entire day, and I'm going to come back at the end of the day and report to you guys my results. Right now the time is 11:44 in the AM, and I'll be back later. Alright, you guys, I am back. It is now the afternoon. It's now 6:16 in the afternoon, and this is how my face is looking. I haven't touched up anything. I haven't touched up my lipstick, my foundation. I haven't done anything to my face, but just let it be. And I've eaten what I did today. Edited a video, I cooked, I ate, I baked, good cornbread. My face is much more oilier than I was expecting it to be. I mean, you know, like I always say, I always get oily in my T-zones, but because this foundation is a semi-matte foundation, as it claimed to be, I really thought I wasn't going to be this oily. Now, it's not bad. This is more like, once I blot, it'll be okay, I'll be good. Well, if it didn't have the word matte in it and I got this look at the end of the day, I would be more okay with it. But because it said matte, I was expecting my face not to be dead matte, but not to be at least this oily in my T-zone. Just blot away with some of the same powder just to clean it up a little bit. So it's really quick and easy to just get back to the regular foundation look, how it was before we had such a busy day. So it's not that hard. I was just, like I said, because it says matte, I wasn't expecting all the oils. As far as everything else, the blush is still there. The blush is still popping. The bronze, like I said, wait there. I don't see it. I thought it was there before, I don't know. So I'm just gonna write that off because it just serves no purpose for me. And the finishing powder, when I applied it initially, made my skin look great. Added a really nice flawless finish. It's supposed to be a mattifying powder as well, right? Yeah, it's supposed to be a mattifying powder as well. Initially, it does mattify your face, but throughout the day, as you can see in my T-zones, the oils were coming through, so I guess it doesn't last long term. But I just, you know, reapplied it again from what was on the brush, and it did mattify my face again. So I guess initially it mattifies your face, and then maybe like an hour or two, maybe 3, and then after that, if you have oily skin like me in the T-zone area, it will come through. So I would assume that you will just use this throughout the day to just blot on your face, if that's your choice. But other than that, all in all, would I purchase this foundation again for myself? No, only because since it says matte or mattified or semi-matte, I needed to, you know, live up to those claims for me. If it didn't say that, like I said, and I was expecting a regular foundation, then it's fine. But just because it said that, I'm expecting that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe if you like the content you see, because I have plenty more content planned for you guys. And definitely my foundation review videos will continue. I have a lot of foundation lined up to review for you guys. Just keep leaving me suggestions in the comment section. That's all now. That is all for now. Enjoy your day. Bye.